Welcome back to Educational Learning Zone. In today's video, we're exploring the essential tools every auto mechanic needs, from basic hand tools to advanced diagnostic equipment. Whether you're a beginner, a student, or a car enthusiast, this guide will help you understand what each tool does and why it's important. Let's dive in and discover the tools that keep your car running smoothly. A wrench is used to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts. Socket sets are used to remove or tighten bolts in tight spaces. Ratchets are used to turn sockets quickly with the back and forth motion. Torque wrench is used to apply a specific amount of force to bolts. Screwdrivers are used for tightening and loosening screws. Pliers are used for gripping, bending, twisting, and cutting wires. Adjustable wrench are used to fit different sizes of nuts and bolts. Allen keys are used to tighten and loosen bolts with hexagonal heads. Hammers are used for striking, shaping metal, or removing stuck parts. Jack is used to lift vehicles off the ground for repairs. A jack stand is used to support the vehicle safely once it's lifted. An impact wrench is used to quickly remove tight lug nuts and bolts. Air compressor powers. Pneumatic tools like impact wrenches and spray guns are used to inflate air. Multimeter is used to test voltage, current, resistance, diagnosing electrical problems. OBD scanner are used to read fault codes from the car's computer for diagnostics. Battery charger or jump starter is used to charge dead batteries or jump starts a car. Oil filter wrench is used to remove and tighten oil filters. Funnel set helps in pouring fluids cleanly during oil and coolant changes. Drain pan is used to collect oil, coolant, and other fluids. Tire pressure gauge is used to measure air pressure in tires. A tire inflator is used to add air into the tire. Lug wrench is used to remove and install wheel lug nuts. Work light is used to illuminate dark areas under the car. Creeper is used to slide under the car easily with it. Brake bleeder kit is used to remove air from brake lines and replace brake fluid. Compression tester is used to measure the engine cylinder compression. Feeler gauge is used to measure small gaps that is useful to spark plugs and valve clearances. Spark plug socket is used to remove and install spark plugs. Pry bar is used to separate parts or apply leverage to stuck components. Toolbox is used to keep tools in a proper place. Safety equipments are used to protect the mechanic during work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Educational Learning Zone for more simple and useful lessons. Have a question about auto mechanics or want a video on another topic? Leave a comment below, I'd love to help. See you in the next video.